Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your size in the About You app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the About You app. And here it usually opens up in the shop menu where you can browse and find different kinds of clothing pieces. But from here, you have to go into the account menu. In the bottom right corner there is this little figure. Then in the middle we find the your size finder. If we tap on this, then we can add in some details: our height, our weight, our age, our upper body preferred fit, and brand fit as well. And we can do this for lower body shoes. And then when we are done, we just tap on use the size finder in the bottom, and it's going to find our size. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.